The spacing requirements for receptacles in commercial buildings are addressed in National Electrical Code Article 210.52 A2, which stipulates that in commercial occupancies, receptacles shall be installed so that no point along the floor line in any wall space is more than 6 feet 1.83 m from a receptacle outlet. This means the 6-foot rule does indeed apply to commercial buildings. The intent behind this requirement is to guarantee an adequate number of receptacles, providing occupants with convenient access to power for their equipment and devices. This eliminates or minimizes the need for extension cords and other temporary wiring solutions which can pose safety hazards. The 6-foot rule ensures electrical safety and code compliance within the controlled building. This requirement exists to minimize the use of extension cords, which can create tripping hazards and increase the risk of electrical fires due to overloading or damage. By having readily accessible receptacles, occupants can safely and efficiently power their devices without resorting to potentially dangerous alternatives. When implementing the 6-foot rule, consider the overall layout of the spaces. This includes office areas, kitchens, change rooms, and electrical and mechanical rooms. In office areas, ensure that desks and workstations are adequately served by receptacles, allowing employees to easily connect computers, monitors, and other necessary equipment. In kitchens, provide sufficient receptacles for appliances, ensuring they are properly spaced and meet the requirements for countertop receptacles if applicable. Change rooms and showers should have receptacles placed strategically for hair dryers, shavers, and other personal care devices, while adhering to any specific requirements for ground fault circuit interrupter protection in wet locations. Electrical and mechanical rooms will require receptacles for maintenance and testing equipment. The placement of these receptacles should facilitate easy access for technicians and engineers. The NEC provides detailed guidelines for receptacle installations, including height requirements, spacing, and specific applications, so it's essential to consult the latest edition of the NEC and any applicable local codes to ensure compliance. It is important to note that specific interpretations and amendments to the NEC can vary depending on the local jurisdiction. Therefore, consulting with local electrical inspectors or authorities having jurisdiction is essential to ensure that all installations meet the required standards. This proactive approach helps to avoid potential code violations and ensures the safety and functionality of the electrical system. Firstly, understand the definition of wall space as defined by the NEC. Wall space includes any wall unbroken by doorways, fireplaces, and similar openings. Secondly, measure the wall space along the floor line. Thirdly, receptacles should be placed so that every point along the floor line is within 6 feet of a receptacle. Fourthly, consider fixed panels, dividers, and similar obstructions as walls. Fifthly, in island and peninsular countertops, special receptacle requirements exist separate from the wall space requirements. Sixthly, receptacles should be readily accessible. Seventhly, receptacles must be installed according to manufacturer's instructions. Eighthly, all applicable electrical codes and standards must be followed, including local amendments. Ninthly, if questions or uncertainty arises, consult with a qualified electrical inspector. Tenthly, ensure that all receptacles used are listed and labeled by a recognized testing laboratory. Consider the placement of furniture and equipment when determining receptacle locations. The goal is to provide convenient access to power outlets without the need for excessive extension cords or power strips. By carefully planning the placement of receptacles, you can ensure that occupants have easy access to power while maintaining a safe and organized environment. In areas with specific equipment requirements, such as kitchenettes or workshops, additional receptacles may be needed to accommodate the power demands of appliances and tools. These receptacles should be chosen to match the voltage, current, and plug configuration of the equipment being used. Special attention should be given to the grounding and overcurrent protection of these circuits to ensure safety and prevent electrical hazards. The 6-foot rule applies to commercial buildings, and careful consideration of wall spaces and fixed obstacles is important. Ensure compliance with the NEC and local codes, and consult with electrical inspectors to address any uncertainties. These measures ensure that the electrical system meets the required standards for safety and functionality.